Everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, and we're going to talk about earning cash back. And you want to know? And well, share with your friends. I think they want to know how to earn some cash too. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you want to know how to earn some cash too. So come on in and subscribe, and that way you never miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, free money, awesome information, all kinds of good stuff. Crazy friends, you won't miss any of that if you subscribe. Simply hit the red button below, make sure the notifications are on and they say all, and there you go. Now you're a crazy friend. And welcome. And everybody, please make sure you like, share, leave a comment so you can get entered into our random surprise Dollar General gift card giveaway. And how that works is you've got to comment on two videos back to back and leave a comment, an emoji, share it, and of course be a subscriber. Alright, so now you know how to do that. We're going to tell you how to do the earned cash back. Now I got a lot of questions about this. As you can see, I actually earned $15 on Saturday. And that was from the Caesar dog food, which I had a coupon for. The Arm & Hammer. And the stem. Oh, no. Okay, yeah. Okay. And my Dunkaroos. And my Bugles. Oh, this is cool. I guess this shows you the entire transaction that you did. But look up top here. This transaction was $7.97. That in itself was an awesome deal. But look at my cash back was $11.50. That means this transaction was absolutely free, and I earned $2 more. Winner, winner, Colonel Sanders dinner. So, cash back glitches, guys. On this other transaction, we did the sparkle, the brawny, and the paper plates, and then we got our extra 5 off, and our 5 off 25, and I did the Arm & Hammer. And I got the $2 back on the Arm & Hammer detergent in this transaction. And that means that my out-of-pocket in the end for this transaction ended up being $14.85. So that's not that bad in the scheme of things. Better than, it could have been better because none of my sparkle coupons came out off. It would have been $3 cheaper at least. So I'd been at $11 and something if the coupons had come off. But all in all, it worked out okay. Okay, now first off, how do you get earns? Well, right now I don't think that it is all over the apps. I think they're breaking this out in regional sections because they are having problems with it and it is glitching. And that's what is happening when you're getting paid both ways. Because not all of these earns will give you the coupon and your earn back. So, let's look at some new earns. Now, if you don't have the earns on your app, your earn cashback on your app yet, try updating your app and see if it appears. Now, out of all the accounts I have so far, I only get earns on one account. Of course, I can't get into all my accounts either, but so far I only have it on my original account. Okay, let's look at the Arm & Hammer earn. Okay. You've got $1 off Arm & Hammer. You've got a $2 earn. It is $4.25. That means it's going to cost you $1.25. Now, when you do your earns, you just simply clip them like your regular coupons. Now, also, on your earns, read what they say, because a lot of times they require you to buy more than what your coupon is. They're not meant to match up, okay? Now, look at this Arm & Hammer. You can redeem this up to 5 times per purchase. So, you can buy up to 5 and get $1, $2 back on up to 5. Now, this Arm & Hammer earn expires in 24 hours. So, this is a run deal, okay? You're going to run and get this deal. Like I said, this is $4.25. And you can pick up 5 of these. And you're going to get back $2 off of every one. And that extra dollar off because you have a coupon. So, let's do a scenario and see how much it's going to cost you if you get 5 of these. Okay, if you pick up 5 of these Arm & Hammers, it's going to be $21.25. You've got a $1 digital coupon. That's going to bring you to $20.25. And that's what you're going to pay out of pocket, okay? But then you're going to get $10 cash back. So your out of pocket then will be $10.25 for 5 of those, okay? Now, if you want to even go a little cheaper and you've got an older operating system store, then, well, you can add some other items. We have got the Dove men's travel size. That is $2. We have a $3 digital coupon that is glitching and attaching to that, giving you $1 in overage. So then your out of pocket would be $9.25 for all 6 items, $1.54 an item, and that's a winner. Okay, let's have a look at some more of these earn deals. We got this Crest Pro Health one. We got a $2 coupon. We got $1 earn. This product's $3.35. That means in the end you're paying 35 cents for this product. So, yes, all but free. Okay, let's try this one. We've got a Milk Bone Soft and Chewy for $3.25. We've got a coupon and an earn that's attaching. It's going to be $1.25 off, leaving you paying $2 in the end. This is working on the dollar blueberry mixes. You can pick up 3 of those. That's $3, and you're going to save $1, and you're going to get $1 back. So they're going to cost you $1 for 3. Now let's have a look at some traditional double dips. That is almost free. Now we've got a store coupon for 2 Shea Moistures, and we got a $2 digital coupon manufactured for $6 for 2 Shea Moistures. That's $12, guys. And you're going to get 2 of these Shea Moistures facial wipes for $14. Yeah, winner, chicken dinner. And if you have any kind of skin problem, this stuff will help you out. Okay? Their soap, their wipes, all this. If you've got any kind of skin problems, you want to give this a try. And also, let's talk about the instant savings when you spend 10 on Kellogg's products, okay? And Eggo products. And the Kellogg's products are on sale 2 for $6. And we've got $1 off on 3 cereals, okay? So you want to pick up 4 cereals for $12. and you're going to get $3 off. That's going to bring you down to 9, and another dollar off is going to bring you down to 8. So you'll be paying $2 a box for this Kellogg's cereal. Also, know that the Pillsbury products is double dipping on your earn. You got a saved $1 on two Pillsbury baked goods, and then another saved $1 on 2. And then you've got your earn $1, which you've got to purchase 2 to qualify, and you can only use it one time. So there you go, guys. Don't forget, leave a comment, do all those good things, and that'll get you entered into our gift card giveaway. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon about more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, yes, and always awesome information.